Need to share your Wi-Fi password fast? Whether it's with another iPhone or even an Android device, I will show you two easy ways to share your password automatically and after finding the password. First, let's share the Wi-Fi password between Apple devices. No typing needed. But first, make sure both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth enabled. The person you're sharing the password with must be in your contacts, and both iPhones or iPads should be near each other. Now first make sure your iPhone is already connected with the Wi-Fi network. Have the other person go to Settings, Wi-Fi and tap on your network name. On your iPhone, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to share the password. Tap Share Password and it's sent instantly. If you want to share the Wi-Fi details with a non-Apple device, then you can also share the password with them directly. But what if you don't know the password? Well, you can easily find it by following these steps. Open the Settings app and tap on the Wi-Fi option. On the next page, find your Wi-Fi network from the list and tap on the I button next to it. On the next page, tap where it says password. A Face ID scan will be performed and you will be able to see your password. You can easily tap on the copy button that appears and share the password over messages or WhatsApp. And that's how you share your Wi-Fi password from your iPhone to any other device, whether it's another iPhone or even Android. Quick, secure and no awkward spelling out involved. If you found this video helpful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.